The problem which Gramin Mantra is trying to solve is farmers are not getting the desired price for their produce. This is due to poor post harvest management, information gap, absence of cold chain, and lack of processing facilities and market. The farmers often had to discard tons of their produce, and some had to leave many quintals of crops and fruits to rot. To find the solution, we talked to various stakeholders involved in the agricultural supply chain and decided to create a technology led and knowledge driven integrated platform connecting farmers, farm input suppliers, and crop purchasers into a single network, making it an efficient marketplace, the source of valuable analytics, marketing, and networking tool. Blockchain and AI based solution of Gramin Mantra has now simplified the post harvest management processes, creating win win situation for both the farmers and the consumers. At Gramin Mantra, we leverage on real time data analytics backed by AI automated process, thus helping farmers in suggesting the crops as per their farm data. Blockchain having features like traceability and data security makes the supply chain more transparent. As you can see, each stage of the supply chain is generating some data. We capture this data by different means and make it accessible by just scanning the QR code. Business model: Gramin Mantra is helping farmers in getting better price and deal with consistent demand, and also allows the customers to source fresh produce at a competitive price straight from the farmers. The platform has the potential to collect data at a very low cost and can be turned into valuable insights, thus shifting the agri production from supply based to demand based and market led. Our major revenue comes from output market linkages, that is, it constitutes to 75%. Market linkages on the farm input side contributes to 20%, and 5% of the revenue comes from the consultancy services. Market opportunity: the total population of Jharkhand is 40 millions. Out of this 40 million population, 55% of the population is engaged in farming activities. Out Therefore, our total available market TAM is 21.45 millions. Out of this 21.45 millions farmers, 76% of the population are small and marginal farmers. Therefore, our total serviceable available market SAM is 16.45 millions. Out of this 16.45 millions, if we target 1% of the progressive small and medium farmers, we have 0.16 million serviceable obtainable market. Now the question comes, how do you reach your customers? To farmers, we are reaching through FPOs, NGOs, and community gatherings. To food processing clusters, we are reaching through ENAM, APMCs, NABARD, LinkedIn. Current status: we have marketed over 42 quintals of paddy and over 15 quintals of maize. We are working with 2 FPOs and 24 farmers. We have partnered with Khetwak Solar Pump and Earth Analytics India. We have sold our produce to Mother Dairy and Rice Mill. We have incorporated our business as a private limited company, and currently we are doing value chain analysis of tamarind and jackfruit. Maize flour, ragi flour, and mushrooms are some of our value added products. In market, for marketing purpose, we keep the record of the variety of the produce, their maturity period, crop cycle, cost of production, and sales, both in B2B as well as B2C. The USP of Gramin Mantra: the options of live trading and real time price of the crops present on our platform differentiates us from all our competitors. At Gramin Mantra, we are not eliminating any members from the agricultural value chain, but instead giving all the players an opportunity to be more efficient and advance the whole industry. Some of our business enablers are Jharkhand State Livelihood Promotional Society, JSLPS, Pradhan, and Syngenta. Social impact: over the span of 6 months, almost 24 farmers are benefited from our initiatives in South Chota Nagpur area of Jharkhand. The economic impact of Gramin Mantra is: through transparency in the supply chain, we are giving better price to the farmers. We have reduced the cost of cultivation by 5 to 6%. Social impact: which Gramin Mantra is bringing is we are through Gramin Mantra's initiative, farmers are getting agricultural education. There is a social security and reduction in disparity. Environmental impact, we are checking migration and providing quality and nutritious foods. Thank you.